factor tree of 96. So 96, it can be written as 2 times 48, it is equal to 96. So 48, it can be written as 2 times 24, it is equal to 48. So 24, it can be written as 2 times 12, it is 24. 12 means it is 2 times 6. 2 times 6 mean 12, and 6 mean it is 2 times 3, it is equal to 6. So now we select the prime numbers in all these numbers. So prime numbers here is 2, 2, these 2, these 2, these 2, and at last 3. So we can write 96 is equal to product of all the prime numbers, that is these 2, these 2, these 2, these 2, like as these 2, and at last 3. So this much for today, and thanks for watching.